Magnesium chloride is an important inorganic raw material in the chemical industry, used in the production of magnesium carbonate, magnesium hydroxide, magnesium oxide, and other magnesium products, also used as raw materials of antifreeze. Magnesium chloride ball press compared to easy materials, such as metal magnesium smelting, magnesium ore, magnesia, magnesium chloride, and other metallurgical powder materials. Pressing effect is obvious. Extraordinary effect. When we use, we should pay attention to the material is not allowed to have any metal, otherwise, it will damage the surface of the RO. The feeding time adopts adjustable speed screw feeder. Adjust the supply amount of new material. By observing the return amount, before feeding, make sure to make the machine whole, run for several weeks, before filling the material, to prevent the machine from eating too much material, which will cause overload to the reducer and motor and make the roller shaft of the ball press broken.